Well, Williams, Philippines. It is Tuesday, October 14th, 9:01 p.m. Hope y'all are having a wonderful day. A couple days ago, we had another earthquake up there in Bagao. Uh, yeah, keep those folks in your prayers. It's been a bunch of them around here. It is what it is, and there's a bunch of earthquakes right now that are, that hit. I feel for those folks up there. They're having to deal with all this. Uh, and right now, we're having a good rain. Uh, Friend gave me a ride back up here because the roads were flooded. Yeah. So I'm in a fresh t shirt. Probably should just went straight to the bathroom and took a shower. I don't know. Has enough of the rain fallen that it's actual good rain, or I don't know. But I know that the water level is up over the curb, and they've got like 16-inch, 14-inch curbs around here, easy 12s almost everywhere. Yeah, it was definitely interesting on the ride here. Thank you, my friends. Uh, yeah, I was looking I went to the market, uh, the Carbone market, a lot better prices. Uh, and I wish I had got some bananas there because I've got fresh made peanut butter. It really needs to go on some bananas and bread and fry the bananas and make fried banana peanut butter and, yeah, sandwiches. I got to get some bananas. That's all there is to it. I got the bread. You can see it here on the top of my water jug. You need to get another water jug because that one's getting low. Yeah, it's better to have it and have it sitting around than not have it and have to wait to get it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get another one in the morning. I think I saw some down there on the way up. So yay! Uh, I've been looking at Google Maps and asking questions about different places. Uh, Most of the folks say go south right now. Up north is kind of messed up and doesn't need a bunch of people visiting just for tourism's sake. Uh, well, they didn't say that, but they just said it's a mess up there, and I have to agree. It's a mess up there. They don't need me be bopping around looking for an apartment when everybody's trying to find a place to live because, oh yeah, a bunch of houses fell down, buildings got broke. Yeah. So I think I'm going to try to go to the south. Uh, there were a couple of places that I saw that along the way over to Rhonda, and then just past Rhonda, Mogul Bowl, Mogul, it's got a beach, and it's just down from Rhonda. And then there's Billeril, Bilil, Bilil, something like that on the way there too. I I saw that, and the two times I was by it, it seemed like it was vibrant. Uh, so I'm going to try to check that out, or maybe the mobile bowl. I'll figure out how to say it eventually. In the year 2525, I was able to pronounce it Yeah. Uh, I'm trying. Would help probably if I wore my hearing aids more, but then I go out there, I get sweating, and I sweat, and yeah, my hearing aids become waterlogged. It's not good for a hearing aid. Just saying. But yeah, I think I'm going to try to go next week. Uh, I don't know. Part of me says just get my laundry in the morning and get on a bus and go. Because, yeah, it looks like a real interesting place. Actually, there's a lot of interesting places around here. That's the craziness of it. Uh, and the way the water was raining, the rain was raining tonight. We were joking about getting a John boat and using it to get back and forth to the up the road around the corner. Uh, yeah, when the water is so deep that it's over the curb, just barely, but still over the curb in a couple of spots on the way home. Uh, yeah, and I don't know about you, but I question the water around here to be waiting around in it after it's come down the road. Because quite often, I see a lot of cat and dog crap on the road. And sometimes I see something I'm not thinking is cat or dog. And I'm pretty sure there's always rat out there somewhere leaving deposits. But this is something that ain't rat or dog or cat. You can make the guess as to, yeah, it is what it is. Uh, let's see, what else was there? It's been a very distracting day. I've had a lot of fun today. I've had a lot of fun every day. I'm having a lot of fun with my life. I'm not stressing. Sometimes I forget to even come by here and put this thing out. And I know I should. But yeah, some days it just falls to the wayside. I'm out doing and enjoying, and I forget about just about everything. It's if I get hungry, I can find something to eat along the way. Don't get me wrong, I got food right there. Uh, and I've eaten a great big breakfast. I ate a light lunch and just got back from eating a big dinner. Would have been better if I got to walk back, but I caught a motorcycle ride, so I didn't get my exercise, but that's okay. I didn't feel like wading through rain. Questionable water. It is what it is. But that's okay. I'm a lot more active than I used to be. Don't get me wrong. I still will just roll back over and hug the pillow and say, nap time. Oh, just woke up. Nap time. I've done that a couple times. Simply because, like on that last earthquake that hit at 1 a.m., it kicked me out of bed. I'm up, I'm out the door, and dealing with that. I get back here by about 2:30, and then I don't get back to sleep till 4. Uh, so, yeah, hadn't gone to bed till about 11:30 anyway. So, Not a lot of sleep. I woke up, I looked at the world, and I said, no. Went back to sleep. Eh, it's okay. I can do that. I probably shouldn't, especially after having just finished eating. Sometimes I do that. I shouldn't. I need to take and stay awake and move around so that it digests better. It is what it is. Anyway, I'm thinking about heading down that direction. I got a couple of possibilities. Part of me wants to hit a different island. Part of me wants to take and stay on this island and go check out a few of the other towns. I haven't decided yet. Just saying. And that's the thing. Don't have to make up my mind. I can just wander out the door and surprise, here I am. Because, well, what bus came first? Oh, that's where I'm going. I do that a lot. Don't get me wrong, there's still a lot of buses that I need to figure out. So I'm still setting up, walk up to the bus stop and catch one over to someplace and then look and see which ones I haven't seen before or been on before. Find a new place to get lost. Yeah. I'm never really lost. I know I'm somewhere on Cebu Island and it's not that big. Uh, it's smaller than the panhandle of Texas. So, yeah. Don't get me wrong, you can get lost in the panhandle of Texas. You can get lost on Cebu Island. Uh, but I think it's a bit of a more adventurous thing here for me. Go out the door, see where I'm going. You know, I remember when I was a kid, I once jumped a train and just went. Didn't know where it was going. I had an idea that it was going that direction, west. And so we went. Uh, yeah, people get all bent out of shape when you're on a train and didn't pay for a ticket. Even back when I was a kid, or even more so back when I was a kid. I don't know. Uh, Life is weird at times. Anyway, I hope you all have a blessed day and lots of food, lots of friends, and lots of family. Remember, live life. We're not guaranteed tomorrow. Have fun with it. Talk with people. Enjoy life. Get out there and live it. And remember, you're not guaranteed tomorrow. All you can do for tomorrow is try to plan to make it a better day. All you can do with the past is learn from it. You can't change it. But the best thing is to do is today. Live it, enjoy it. Get out there and be happy with it. It's a present. Enjoy the gift. Anyway, lots of food, lots of friends, lots of family, and again, more food. I'm William. You do you. Figure out, like, comment, subscribe, whatever. It's your problem. I'm Fish. Fish is out. Later, blessings. Bye bye.